Topping our news at 6, it is a scam that's got the attention of the FBI and now the 7 Action News investigators.
A Michigan company no longer in business, but someone is posing as that company's owner, trying to swindle area victims out of tons of cash.
7 Action News investigator Jonathan Carlson is here now to explain. Jonathan.
Yeah, the scammer behind this crime is targeting folks, mostly attorneys all over the country, and it's only a matter of time before one of them loses a lot. Meet the real Doug Stewart. He's from Oakland County and sold his Jackson-based business, Chelsea Grinding, months ago. But someone, somewhere, has been using his name and former business as a scam operation.
It's a way of doing business for them.
The fake Doug Stewart, who is likely overseas, is targeting attorneys, soliciting their services to handle collections that don't actually exist. The lawyers get a bogus check and are then asked to deduct their fees and wire the remaining balance to the crook's account. These are some of the bogus emails sent to lawyers and the genuine responses. Stewart has put up a website advertising the hoax that he hopes attorneys will find when searching his name before falling victim. His hope is
more people come forward and there's more exposure on it, and ultimately these people are caught.
The 7 investigators have learned the FBI is monitoring the case, but can't formally do much until a victim comes forward. Many of the duped attorneys may be reluctant to do so. For Stewart, he wants this stopped.
At first I felt violated, but now I'm really concerned. I don't want someone defrauded in my name.
If you're an attorney and you've received anything from Chelsea Grinding or Doug Stewart, you're asked to call the FBI, guys.
All right. Thank you so much, Jonathan.